This is the power steering pump. If you experience any of the following symptoms while driving, please check your power steering pump. A failing power steering pump usually doesn't quit all at once. Instead, it gives off warning signs, some subtle, others obvious. 1. Whining or groaning sounds when turning the wheel. 2. Heavy or stiff steering at low speeds. 3. Delayed steering response or jerky motion. 4. Leaking fluid around the pump, reservoir, or return hose. 5. Foamy or dark fluid usually. Subscribe to the GCMSTX channel to learn more about power steering pumps.